So back to the chart. So this is where buy QQQ. Okay. So from up here to here is 30%. Okay. This is leverage QQQ. Okay. We're buying the leverage QQQ. So instead of doing CFD, what we could do is we'll buy the leverage ETF, which is much safer. Okay, because for CFD you might need to maintain a margin and then you might get margin call. Okay, you have problem with spike and problem with broker. So this one you don't have any problem with that. Okay, so for this one you don't have any problem with that. So so what happens is that um, you you buy here, which is the perfect time to buy a bit here and buy a bit here. Okay, so now because price has actually dropped quite a lot already from here, okay, until here, it's already 20%. So you're looking for another 10% to get 30% drop. Okay. Um, so okay, for Bitcoin Ethereum, okay, this is also something I've actually invested in. So we don't really know how far this thing could go. Very hard to know. So see whether we can check volume. Where is the volume? Where is the volume? Volume. So this is the best volume we got here. So price is hovering around this area. So hopefully this will break out and okay. Because the sentiment is still very strong buy, right? People are still looking people still looking to buy this thing. Okay, so just imagine the phobia with okay. Should be like this. So so what happening to the market right now, right, is that we see, right, those company were very high value because of bond tapering. Okay, so go to really interesting because of bond tapering. Okay, see 3 days ago, Powell say Fed will discuss speeding up bond buying tapering. Okay, so this is what happened. Okay, if Fed speed up the buying tapering, okay, so what happened to those companies with very high valuation, like Tesla, okay, have very high valuation, and Nvidia also have very high valuation. You see, I don't think Microsoft and Apple have very high valuation. Okay, Amazon also okay. I think maybe Microsoft is a bit overvalued. For those stocks like retail, consumer defensive stock, okay, they're going to do well. Okay, and any energy stock also might do well, but you know, when you increase interest rate, what happens is that the oil prices will drop. Okay, so I think they feel. I think what Power feel is that commodity prices have been going up uh, quite substantially, and it's time to cool down the market. Whether they'll do bond tapering as soon as possible or not, we don't really know. But I doubt that they will do as fast as what they told the media, because they're just trying to cool off the market. Okay, uh, because you see, market haven't come back yet. Okay, we see the check the market. Market of course, unemployment rate has been um, trading economics. Unemployment rate has been, doing quite well, you see, for the past 5 years. You see. So only during this time we got 14%. Now we are at 4%. Okay, because it's not as low as 3% in 2018, but still, we're doing quite well, and we are there soon. So what happened is that even the non-farm payroll also have dropped quite substantially, because before that, previously we had 500,000, now we only have 300,000. Okay, so consensus was 450,000. They actually and this one is only 200,000. Okay, for the latest one in just yesterday. Okay, so I'm predicting that US dollar is going up. Okay, because of this. Okay? If they do bond tapering, so what is going to happen is that um, this is what I'm expecting. Okay, uh, so USD will go up. Okay, that's for sure, because of good fundamental data supporting the company. Okay. So USD will go up. What happens is that gold will drop, and then we have GJ will go up. No, GJ won't go up. No, GJ won't go up. GJ is not very good idea. So I would say Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Okay, we drop, and then we have prediction, and then we have tech company. Company will drop. Company with weak earning will drop. Okay, so commodity have dropped. Commodity prices will cool down. Okay, and stock will drop as well. Okay, so maybe retail stocks will go up. Okay, bank stocks will go up. Okay, so mostly I see is bank stock. Bank stock will be more favorable. What I say, so this Euro USD and Pound USD, okay, will drop. This favor USD. Okay, I think the best trade is to buy USD. Okay, to buy maybe USD CAD will go up. Okay, will increase, will rise. Okay, there's like USD rate this Turkish villa, then Mirza will rise as well. Okay, so these are the prediction that I feel going to be the next, the theme for the next few months. Okay, because we have we have Fed talking about tapering. Okay, when you have good data and then you're talking about tapering, what happens is that those company with earning will drop, and then USD will go up. Okay, most likely will go up. It will strengthen against all other currency. Okay, of course, you see what they do, but then this is my bet. You know, um, so because of USD strengthening also, Ethereum might drop and Bitcoin also might drop because of USD strengthening. Okay, these two things is going to drop. Okay, because so whether Ethereum is going to have the next what do you call it, the next leg, we don't know. Okay, but TBC. Yeah, because of bond tapering, you see price kind of cool down here. Okay, bond price will drop a little. 1920 drop even more. I think more people will buy bonds. Okay, but this is not showing that. But you can see bond is showing. I'm thinking it will go up. Okay. Oh, it's not shown here yet, but let's check. Check here. Yeah, this is this is more accurate. Okay, so bond price go up. Okay, yeah, this is nice to confirm our thesis that okay, so overall bond price go up. So here that bond price has to break up. We'll see for the next few months, okay, whether this will go up. And okay, so QQQ is going definitely is going to drop. Okay, that's for sure, because QQQ the composition in QQQ mostly a tech company. Okay, so if Fed's thinking about bond tapering, QQQ is going to hit by quite a lot. Okay, just imagine this parabolic up for so long already, that since March 20, we'll definitely see a big drop here. But how far is it? We're expecting maybe, so of course it wouldn't be as big like this. We're touching here, okay, if we're touching this price and then bounce, something like that. So we're talking about here until here, it's actually 15%. Okay, we're talking about 15% drop. Here is 28%, more than around 30%. So I think 15 to 20% is a bit, it's quite reasonable. 322 is it's kind of the max drop. It's kind of the max drop. Okay. So sentiment has changed. For the next few months, what we're gonna do is we're just going to firstly sell this thing, okay? Because daily already shown that this core definitely drop. Okay, this is weekly, sorry. So we're reading fundamentals to just confirm that since TLT has gone up, okay, and this one, has broken the support here. Of course, though always break any trend line. It's kind of, they don't really respect any trend line. This is what I'm expecting for next few months. So gold is sell. Okay. Hold your sell, hold your sell. Okay. So this gold have actually crossed here. Okay. So for any potential sell, short position. Of course, everything is still not confirmed yet, but you can know that sentiment for the next few months it's gonna be like that. Okay, this thing is going to drop. So we'll wait for confirmation in maybe H4. The confirmation here. Okay, put the stop loss here. See price is here. Yeah, you can put a stop loss above the pin bar and short the market. Okay. So we need okay. So why I'm shorting euro is pretty simple. You look at that top 5, top 3. Look at this, man. I'm not sure whether you've seen this before, but Japan is actually quite high. Okay, Japan has 277% public debt to GDP ratio. Okay, so actually I don't understand. Like actually JPY is not, it's not something that you should buy. You look at let's look at euro, European brand nations. Okay, you see, look at France. Okay, look at UK. They're 300%. Okay, external debt to GDP ratio. Okay, this France also have 262, and then we have Italy 155. Okay, look at them. They're crazy. Okay, they're basically crazy. We have Greece 300%, and then I think Belgium is also part of Eurozone. Okay, Ireland is 800%. Okay, crazy, man. That's crazy. I don't know. Netherlands is 600%. Come on, man. Norway, okay, doing very well. Portugal 200%. Okay, we have Spain. Okay. Sweden and then Sweden and then Switzerland. Look at them. They're crazy. Okay, with Turkey, Turkey doing quite well. It's only 84%. Okay, just very very surprising. Of course, Turkey has just their own currency, right? Turkish lira. Okay. Uh, yeah, look at them, man. They are messy. Yeah, Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria is okay. Surprising, very surprising. Nigeria is doing well. Okay. Saudi Arabia, Spain. Look at them. Okay, I'm not sure how they're going to survive. Um, you see, national debt is ticking every single day. Okay, every single second. You see. So, are you going to buy euro? No, they are going to keep printing money until this level is, until the external debt to GDP ratio is to the point that is unmanageable. Okay, that is a word for it. Okay, so that's why eurozone, okay, is the best way to is the best thing to sell. Either you sell euro or you sell GDP. Okay, so euro and pound is the best way for you to actually make money. If you just buy USD and sell against them, there are many other people who would love to do that. Just imagine that you're working in Germany, or maybe working in Europe, and your money is depreciating every single day. So the most logical thing is to actually convert your money into US dollar. Okay, just to be honest with you, okay, US dollar is still the best. Okay, although US dollar has very very high debt ratio as well. Okay, well, China is the best, but yeah, China also have a lot of problem, right? Okay. So Euro USD, remember guys, Euro USD is the best way to sell. To Okay. So this is what I'm expecting for the next few months, and you know, I hope that you are able to trade this. Okay, just remember, gold is, even if you look at long-term time frame, this is short right now. Okay, never go and buy. This is short trade. Okay, so the weekly time frame, this is still a short. Best risk reward trade will be short. Okay, will be shorting the gold, because there'll be more and more news coming out, talking about shorting, talking about bond tapering. So this will definitely cause gold to drop. Okay, it might go a bit in the short term, like go a bit, but still, long run is a set. Okay. I think that's all for today. I'll make another video and talk about other stuff. Okay, maybe next week, because this is market sentiment for next few months. We might not need to revisit it for quite some time, because market sentiment don't change so much. Okay, usually it will last for 1 to 2 months. Okay, just make sure you know what you're doing. Okay, when you're trading, don't trade against this. Okay, you're trading RSI, don't try to go and buy Euro USD. Okay, look for sell Euro USD, or and maybe buy USD CAD. You want to buy ZAR, it's okay as well. Okay, get ZAR. ZAR is, I think ZAR is South African rand. I think ZAR. Yes. So look at market condition of South Africa. We just pick South Africa, okay? Okay. GDP not growing, inflation rate still very high. Okay, inflation 5% is quite high, and trade balance, trade accounts, government debt to GDP ratio is only 80%. Actually, ZAR is doing quite okay. Okay, mm, it's not as bad, but wow, but the personal income tax rate is so high, man. It's crazy. Okay, let's look at unemployment rate. Wow, that's 34%. That's crazy. Okay. The- okay, this is higher. Okay, what is it? This is unemployment rate, right? What unemployment rate keep going up? Okay. Employment rose to 34.9% in the quarter, up from 34% in previous period. It was highest job search since comparative data began in 2008. On the back of July unrest and the still stringent lockdown. Okay, South Africa is still locking down. Number of unemployed person fell by 183,000 to wow crazy 7.6 million. Okay, but employment plunged by 660,000 to 14.2 million. Labor force plunged by 842,000. Jobs were concentrated in trade sector, community, social service, construction, private. So trade sector has the most impact. The private household and mining, finance sector increase. Okay, so this one is those people who have stopped working, looking for work, and then more people stop working, looking for work. Oh, crazy! So the unemployment rate for those people who are range between 14 to 24 years old is actually 66%. Okay, look at this. If the country is not doing well, GDP is not growing, unemployment rate very high. So what happens is that, um, you see, okay, so we can see that it is a good idea to actually sell African brand because USD doing well, right? Correct or not, right? So we sell this country, okay? We sell the ZAR. Okay, I told you just now. Fundamentally, um, the fundamental of ZAR, okay, Turkish lira, sorry, South African brand actually matches my prediction. Okay, so look at the projection. They project that more and more people is going to get unemployed. I don't understand why here why the unemployment dropped by so much here. This is it measures number of people actively looking for a job. So during this time, because of lockdown, people are not looking for jobs. So now more and more people looking for jobs in South Africa. Okay, so meaning also not a lot of this job demand, right? Okay. So look at this. Really know, right? You see the forecast is that more and more people is going to look for a job, and then the market cannot really provide that kind of job. Or the market cannot just don't have that kind of need for labor. Okay, so this thing is going up because many businesses are not doing well in South Africa. Just guessing because this is a forecast. Okay, so if the forecast is like this, it's going to happen to be like this. Then we expect, you know, just like I told you guys. So let's look at USD. Yeah. So the best thing for you to do actually to buy South Africa rand. Okay. So this has actually confirmed it. I'm sure it will keep doing that. Okay, because it will just keep doing that. Not sure whether the price will drop or not and then keep going up, but long term, this ZAR is uptrend to me. This drop will be because USD drop. Okay, so when USD when you're trying to print money, so this thing drop. But from here onwards, okay, when we stop tapering, USD ZAR will go up. Definitely will go up. Okay. So just buy ZAR, okay. Fundamentally wise, ZAR, we are buying USD against South African rand. Okay, so that's all for today, and $4,005. I think that's all for today, and then I'll do some adjustment. I'm not sure what is happening to the stream, and talk to you guys next time. Okay, bye bye.